Hello all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Today we learn another shortcuts with respect to the totaling the n number of records. Here I have the data set of employees and their sales for the respective month Jan, Feb, March and so on. Now if the data is vast and you want to do the total of each employee, it will be a time consuming. Instead, with the usage of the shortcuts, we can perform this sum within the fraction of seconds. So now select the total of each records and press Alt equals. You get the total of each employees and the respective month as well. Isn't it nice? Do like, share and subscribe. Your subscription will be a motivation to me to come up with many more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video again. Do subscribe.